Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends, and on this video we're in Thailand and we're in Phuket at this Citygate Hotel. This is a 5-star resort which is around 26 kilometers away from the airport. This resort is near to Kamala Beach and also to Penang Beach. This resort has different areas and we were staying in the New York building, which we'll show you in just a moment. There are several pools and restaurants here, and they did the best cake I've had for a long time. In fact, I'm thinking of going back just for a slice of cake and a cup of tea. There is a spa and a fitness centre here, and we'll give you more details later in the video. I'm going to go into the main reception now for a look. If you want to book a room here, you can get rooms for as little as £35 per night. In fact, possibly cheaper than that. So it is great value for money and a very high quality hotel. Like I say, it was broken into different sections, and the section we were staying in was called New York. As well as this main pool out here, there is also another pool on the roof, and again we'll show you that very soon. This resort is close to Cafe Del Mar and also close to Phuket Fantasy. And imagine being a little ant. Well, if you were, or a little tiny person, you could stay on this model. As it was, we didn't stay in the model, we stayed in a lovely room, and we'll show you that room in just a moment. In fact, it was more a suite than it was a room, and we were staying in the New York section. And the entry-level room here is a junior suite with a king-size bed, and we had one each. And like I say, you can get one of these for room only for around about £35 a night. Great value for money. There is a restaurant here as well, and also a cafe, which we're going to show you in a moment. And there's a rooftop bar with dining options there as well. And this is the Lafayette 7 Cafe and Bakery. Cafe, bar and cakes, and we'll show you the cakes in a moment. Next to this there was a room with people working, so people use this and hire this as a work space. And got to say, I really enjoyed the cake. Which one should I have? I know straight away it's going to be the Black Forest cake for me. And the friend I was with had something slightly different. And I only actually stayed here for 2 nights, which was a real shame because I really enjoyed the stay. I was only actually in Thailand for 6 nights altogether, and I had 2 in Hong Kong, 2 in Phuket and 2 in Krabi. So it was sad to leave this place. The rooftop pool and bar and restaurant was fantastic, it's got to be said. Very enjoyable indeed. Didn't go into the big pool, which you can see down there. And here are some of the room types for illustration purposes only. This was created using artificial intelligence, so the rooms might not look like that. And the spa and the fitness area, which we didn't get to go in and use, unfortunately. And here is the rooftop pool, which is very nice indeed. and the sun is almost going down. You can look over the edge, over the balcony to the main pool. There is a bar up here and food options, and this absolutely spectacular pool. And here's the bar where you can get drinks and food, snacks and refreshments. And over there you'll see Phuket Fantasia, which is just a short walk up the road. Or you can get a taxi or a tuk-tuk. So let's have a look into the room I was staying in the New York section, which has been nicely decorated. And this really is a really nice room. Room 404. And as we go in, nice lighting, nice view of the pool, TV, king size bed, and living area and kitchen. And here's the bedroom, another TV. Love this pattern on the wall. Got to say, for the cost of this, what an absolute bargain. And the toiletries, plenty of them, high quality, nice bathroom, walk-in shower, which is always good. And dressing gowns as well. And as day turns into night, that's almost it from this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and check out my other videos on the channel. And why not comment below, have you stayed here? Where is your choice of place to stay if you were in Phuket? And I will be returning to Phuket soon, so there will be some more videos on the channel soon, if not already, depending upon when you watch this video. From Phuket, bye bye for now.